Hello YouTube, this is Matrix Master 397. I just got a new nerf gun. It's not exactly by nerf, it's by Airzone. It's called the Punisher. It's like a minigun sort of thing. I think it's a bit better than the Vulcan. It's really faster and it can go longer distances. And what's cool about it is that when you pull the trigger, it fizz that entire clip in around 20 seconds. I'll go ahead and make a test fire. Yeah, you won't be able to exactly see the bullets since I don't exactly have them, but you'll be able to see the barrel turning. So here we go. Oh yeah, power's off. Silly me. Now here we go. That is sweet. Now I'm just gonna fix up the belt so you can see the clip come out also. Now oh yeah. Well, that's it for now. Please subscribe. And I'm going to do more reviews on other Nerf guns really soon.